Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Humbug Videos. You guys have been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this. We've all been waiting for the return of the Pond Prowler. Today, we're out here on a beautiful southwest Idaho lake trolling for some big kokanee. Kokanee out of here have been really good sized for a March, April fish. I actually got my camera mount back here so that I can do shots of the rods going. However, if you notice, I forgot the GoPro screw, so that Hero 8 is being held on by zip ties right now. The next couple videos, I'm gonna start to drop a bunch of different mods and different things that I'm doing, and then how I'm using it to catch more fish. So the next like 2 months is gonna be Pond Prowler Central. Bite's been pretty good for kokanee lately, so I'm gonna get rigged up. Let's go catch some fish. Oh my gosh. Yep. We're already on. Oh my gosh. That was fast. Folks, that was quick. Holy smokes. That was really quick. Oh my gosh. That was like the first 2 minutes with this downrigger rod. I may have lost him, folks. Oh. No, I got him. Wow. He just didn't fight at all. Oh my gosh, he just didn't fight at all. What the heck? All right, we are pinning that spot. Let's go. Oh my gosh. First kokanee of the year within like 2 minutes of fishing. Oh my goodness. That, folks, is a beautiful kokanee salmon right there. Oh my goodness. He's not a giant by any means. I've been seeing a lot of bigger ones than him being caught. But for an early season kokanee, that is such a good fish. Oh man, and boy do they eat good. Oh my, folks. That is how you start the Pond Prowler season, baby. Frick yeah. Oh my gosh, we're on. Oh my gosh, folks. I can't even get my other rod set up. Oh, this is fun. This is fishing right here. Wow, he smoked that thing. This is a better fish too. Oh yeah. Oh, he is ripping drag. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh my, folks. Is that a king? Folks, I don't think this is a kokanee. I don't think that's a kokanee. No way! I think that's a king. That's a landlocked king. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh my gosh. Folks, that was one of my goals this season, was to catch a king salmon on my boat. Folks. Yes, folks, look at that fish. Beautiful king salmon. It's nice I can be pretty loud because there's like no one on the water right now. Oh my goodness, folks. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous king salmon right there. He hammered that thing. That rod went off fast. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Folks, my other rod isn't even back in the water yet. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to think right now. I'm just so... No, I know the word. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful that I'm able to do this so close to home and that I have a pond prowler and I have this life. I'm very thankful right now. That's the word I was looking for. Interesting, that one right there was 80 feet back with a 1/2 ounce weight. So if I had to guess, that bait was probably in 15 to 20 feet, which makes sense because that seems like now the kokanee are in 10 feet. The kings are always going to be under the kokanee. So it all makes sense. I'm very, very curious to know if that king was a fluke or not. If that was just I got lucky and there was a king in deep water, or, you know, maybe it's a pattern. Maybe we're gonna get all kings on this rod and all kokanee on this one, right? Who knows? Oh yeah. Yep, there we are. There we are. Oh yeah, good one. Oh yeah, that's a good fish, folks. Wow, that was fresh. Fresh bait, fresh rig. Yeah, there we are. There's another one in the net, folks. Another little guy. They're definitely not as big as what they are later in the season, for sure. Like when we get like May, June, July, these fish are going to be way bigger than this. But either way, it's another fish in the net. Another silver bloody kokanee. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. There we are. We're on. Oh my gosh, folks, I was just showing you guys that kokanee and then wham. Oh my gosh. We're gonna turn it off real quick here. Yes. All right, my net is occupied, so this is gonna be a boat flipped kokanee in the net. Oh my goodness, folks. Folks, this is crazy what is going on right now. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh. More for the cooler. Oh, there we are. Woo! There must have been a school. Oh, there we are. Another one. Been seeing a ton of fish get caught with this specific color, and went over to Kokanee Tackle over in Meridian. Of course, Chris, my guy, he's got everything in stock, so he had a ton of them available. I picked one up, and that's majority of my fish today have been on that color, so interesting. Folks, let me show you a couple of the fish I've caught here today. That right there is a stunner king salmon. Gnarly mouth. They have such sharp, nasty teeth. No wonder why they're the biggest predator in this lake with teeth like that. Absolutely gorgeous fish. He came in at 20 inches. That is compared to some of the kokanee we're catching. Here's one of the kokanee for the day. Beautiful fish. We have got pretty decent little cooler stacking up full of fish. Oh my gosh, this is such a fun day. I could not have asked for anything better today. Oh crap, oh crap. There we are. Oh, just set out a new setup. Wow, that is the key today, folks. We figured it out. It is fresh bait. Fresh bait is the... Oh, this one's fighting hard. Whoa, this one's fighting good. Oh yeah, this one's fighting hard, ladies and gentlemen. No. Did he come off? No. He's still on there. Wow, that was worried there for a second. Oh, this is a fat one. This is fat fish. Yes! Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Yes! This is so much fun. Oh my gosh. Folks, we are one fish away now from our full limit, and we have been out here for 2 hours and 11 minutes. We will have had a limit plus a king. Oh. Yes. Oh yeah. There we are. There we are. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big fish. That's a nice fish. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a really nice fish. Wow, he is pulling hard. Oh, he's pulling hard. Oh my gosh. This has to be best kokanee of the day. Still haven't even seen him. Oh, come on, buddy, come on. Oh yeah, yeah, that's a good one. Oh my gosh, I got a double, I got a double, I got a double. Holy crap, holy crap. Oh my gosh. This would be kokanee. Oh, is he off? Yeah, he's off. All right, that's all right. That's actually okay. I lost that one because I wasn't gonna be able to keep it anyway. So thank goodness, at least I got my 6 kokanee down in the net. We are done for the day. Wow. Folks, what a beautiful, that is definitely best fish of the day so far. Easily best kokanee of the day. Oh my gosh. And that right there is fish number 6. It's like 10:30 right now, so I made quick work of the last 2.5 hours of fishing. I'm gonna head in right now and I'll show you guys everything that worked for me, everything I was catching all these fish on today. Wow, what an excellent day. That is an awesome day. And to give you guys an idea, this king right here is 20 inches. So my guess is those guys are sitting around like 16, you know, ish, kind of somewhere in that area. All right, so let me go over kind of what I caught these fish on today. So this one right here got me 1 fish earlier in the morning. I believe this is like a Paulina Peak. I tie all my own custom leaders. So this guy right here is a little micro shrimp. I've got some size 4 Brad's hooks on there with a little Berkeley gulp maggots, which I've soaked in some Procure. That one wasn't the best performer today. This one wasn't either, because it's an all silver. This one I had a little pink micro hoochie on there with some Berkeley gulp maggots. Those two were not the top performers of the day. The top performer, hands down, was the copper. Orange was the #1 color today, and copper was the #1, I guess, finish, right? You know, finish color on it. So this one right here, so this guy right here, killed it for me today. That was what majority of my fish were on. I've just got like a pinkish orange micro hoochie on the bottom. I don't think the color of micro hoochie mattered today because I was getting them on pink and orange. But the color of the Dodger was huge today. That all copper color there did really well. From what I heard from other guys out here, there was only one other group that came in with their limit earlier than me, and I was talking to them at the boat launch here, and they said that copper was all that they were using too. As for rod and reels, we're running Dio Alexa LCs. Just did a review video on this reel. I absolutely love these reels. And we've got here a Lamy Glass Classic Glass rod. This has been incredible. This is a 7, I believe, yeah, it's a 7 foot. These things are noodles. They got such a soft, moderate backbone. Really helps to keep those kokanee pinned. As you guys saw, I've lost very few fish today, and I think it's because of some of the new gear that I've invested in. What I've seen a lot of people skunked on the Facebook pages, are new kokanee fishermen like myself. The biggest thing that they're doing wrong is they're fishing too fast. They're fishing like 1.4 to 1.9, and the kokanee just don't want that right now. They want slower. So today I made sure to slow it down. I stayed on that 1 speed on my trolling motor, and that got them done. If you guys want to see another awesome Pond Prowler video, I will put that right here for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I sure did making it. Wow, was that a fun day. I'm gonna have plenty more of it coming up here, especially as the weather gets better. Oh my gosh, just what a day, what a day. All right, folks, hope you guys have a good one. We'll see you soon.